This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
The journey of potato chips begins far away from the factory, in vast agricultural fields where specially selected potatoes are grown. These farms are carefully managed to produce potatoes with the ideal starch content and texture required for crisp, evenly cooked chips. Every field represents the foundation of the entire production process, where quality is determined long before manufacturing even begins. These potatoes are different from table potatoes. Their starch levels, moisture balance, and shape are carefully optimized to produce chips that fry evenly and stay crisp. Modern harvesting machines gently lift potatoes from the soil, minimizing damage to the skin. This careful extraction is critical, as bruised or damaged potatoes can affect taste and appearance later in processing. By using advanced harvesting techniques, farmers ensure that only healthy, intact potatoes move forward in the supply chain.
Welcome to Next Inside Process. Today, we're taking you inside a modern potato chip factory to show you the complete step-by-step chip-making process.
The selected potatoes are loaded into transport trucks and moved toward the processing facility. Ventilated storage and controlled handling protect the potatoes during transit. Maintaining proper conditions during transport ensures freshness is preserved before factory processing begins. Trained inspectors examine incoming potatoes for size, firmness, and surface quality. Any potatoes that fail to meet strict standards are removed from the line. Only approved raw materials are allowed to continue into production.
Even a fraction of a millimeter matters. Slice thickness directly affects texture, crunch, and cooking time.
Freshly sliced potatoes travel through flowing water channels that remove excess starch. This step plays a crucial role in achieving the light color and crisp texture consumers expect. Now comes the transformation. Potato slices enter massive industrial fryers filled with carefully filtered oil, heated to precise temperatures. Within seconds, moisture evaporate structure changes, and flavor develops. As the chips emerge, their familiar golden color appears. In slow motion, we witness the exact moment when thin slices become the crunchy snack recognized worldwide.
Thermal sensors track heat distribution inside the fryer, ensuring every chip cooks evenly.
Behind every flavor is science. In dedicated laboratories, food technologists develop seasoning blends, testing for taste balance, shelf stability, and consumer appeal. These formulations are the result of months, sometimes years of research. Automated systems precisely control the seasoning process, carefully measuring and distributing the exact same amount of seasoning to every single chip. This ensures perfect consistency across the entire batch. No chip gets too much, and none get too little, delivering the same balanced flavor in every bite. Before sealing, oxygen inside each packet is carefully replaced with nitrogen gas, protecting freshness and extending shelf life. This process prevents the chips from going stale and helps maintain their crisp texture. Nitrogen also acts as a protective cushion, reducing breakage during transportation. As a result, every pack reaches consumers just as fresh as the moment it was sealed. Every bag passes through advanced metal detection systems and weight sensors to ensure complete safety and consistency. These systems automatically identify and remove any package that does not meet strict quality standards. By combining safety checks with accurate weight control, the factory guarantees that every bag is secure, properly filled, and ready for distribution. Inside the dispatch zone, sealed chip boxes are carefully organized and loaded into trucks and trailers. Automated systems and trained teams work together to ensure secure stacking and damage-free transport. Once loaded, each shipment is ready to begin its journey to markets around the world.
This is the scope of our distribution. A seamless, global network linking our factory to key markets worldwide.
A carefully coordinated global logistics network ensures timely delivery, controlled handling, and product integrity at every stage of the journey. From factory dispatch to final distribution, each shipment is tracked and managed in real time. No matter the distance traveled, every bag arrives with the same freshness, crunch, and flavor, just as it was sealed at the factory. Advanced packaging technology and strict quality standards protect the chips throughout their journey. Careful handling during transport ensures the texture and taste remain unchanged. From the production line to the final destination, each bag delivers the same satisfying experience every time.
From farm to factory, every chip has a story. Thanks for watching Next Inside Process.